Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the deceptive site warning that appears on your website. So the first thing first, you go to your Chrome browser, then you search for Google Search Console. So you click on this first link here. So as you can see, improve your performance on Google Search. So you click on this Start Now. So what you want to do is you go back to the affected website. So here it is. So I'll copy this URL, then I'll come to this place and paste it here. So you want to verify your website. So you click on this continue like so. So as you can see, verify ownership. So you download this file. So after downloading this HTML file, you come to where your website is hosted. Then you log into your cPanel. So I'll click on login to cPanel. You search your file manager, as you can see. So I'll click on it. So you come to your public_HTML. So you want to upload that .html file you downloaded earlier. So as you can see, here's mine. So I'll click on it. So you just click on upload. So I'll click on back like so. So I'll just reload like this. Then I'll scroll through. Here's the .html file. So I'll come to my Google Search Console. Then I'll click on verify. So as you can see, ownership has been verified. So I'll click on go to property like so. We have one security issues. So I'll click on full report like so. So I'll click on these deceptive pages. So here is the description and here is the sample URL. So as you can see, for the sample URL, you have nothing. So to fix this issue, you click on this request review, then you click on all issue were fixed. So you just paste these, okay? So I'll drop these prompts in the video description. So I'll click on submit request like so. So as you can see, our request has been submitted successfully. So this normally takes 24 to 48 hours. So I'll pause this video. Let me check the date. Let me check today's date. So today's date is on the 6th of March 2026. So I'll be posting this video right here. So when the warning has been cleared from my website, I'll show you so you see how it works. So as you can see, the error has been cleared successfully and our review was successful. And today's date is on the 7th. So remember, I request for the review on the 6th, which is yesterday, and today the error has been cleared. So that's how easy it takes to fix this error. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.